In today's video, I'm going to teach you Xero bank accounts, how to fix reconciliation mistakes with remove and redo and unreconcile 5 minutes. Let's start by signing in to Xero. Open Xero in your browser, click Login, and enter your credentials to access your organization. Once you're in, head to the dashboard. From your bank account tile, choose Reconcile Items. This takes you to the reconciliation area, but for fixing past matches, we'll switch to the Account Transactions view. Click Account Transactions to see the list of transactions that have already been reconciled. Find a reconciled transaction that needs attention and open it. In the transaction view, click Options. Here's where the two key tools live. First, choose Unreconcile. When you confirm with OK, Xero removes the link between the bank statement line and the accounting transaction, but keeps the accounting transaction itself. The statement line goes back to the Reconcile tab so you can match it correctly, while the spend or receive money, invoice, or bill remains in your records. Use Unreconcile when the transaction is correct, but it was matched to the wrong statement line, or when you simply want to redo the match without deleting any underlying accounting. Now, return to account transactions again so we can look at the second option. Select a transaction you created during a previous reconciliation that you want to completely redo. Click Options, then choose Remove and Redo. This action removes the reconciliation and deletes the bank transaction that was created from that reconciliation. The statement line will be returned to the Reconcile screen so you can start fresh and create the correct transaction from scratch. Use remove and redo when the reconciled item itself was created in error. For example, if you coded it to the wrong account, use the wrong contact, or it shouldn't exist at all. A few quick tips while you work. Before using remove and redo, check whether the transaction is tied to an approved invoice or bill. Remove and redo won't delete the source invoice or bill. It only removes the bank transaction created at reconciliation, and that invoice or bill will revert to awaiting payment. If the underlying invoice or bill is correct, unreconcile is usually the safer option. After unreconciling or removing and redoing, always revisit the Reconcile tab to complete the correct match. And that's the process. Sign in, open Reconcile items, move to account transactions, choose options, and use unreconcile or remove and redo appropriately to fix mistakes with confidence.